We have this particular tract which ends up in the inferior olivary nucleus and is again taking back this information regarding the proprioception and the joint positioning. So the tract starts off from the cutaneous and the proprioceptive organs that are present and the receptors that are present in our skin, and the information is taken back to the spinal cord. The decussation takes place at the same level and it ascends up, and at the level of the medulla oblongata it is going to enter, some of the fibers are going to enter the inferior cerebellar peduncle and the final centers in the cerebellum for the positioning and for the balance. And then some of the fibers are also going to enter the inferior olivary nucleus. So this is the final destination for this particular tract, where the information is carried from the surroundings towards the inferior olivary nucleus, and it even ends up in the cerebellum. So this is how you basically look at these different tracts over here, and how these different ascending tracts, they're basically collecting information from the surroundings and taking the information back to the higher centers of the brain. So you can even download our app that is present, and it is known as sqadia.com. You can download it and get access to detailed lectures and enjoy our lectures over there. Thanks for watching. sqadia.com.